Hey, it's Tania here. I'm back in the studio. It's a new year, ready to start some new things. One thing I have started is I finally picked up the courage to start my own YouTube channel. What took me so long, you ask? I don't know, but it's here. A lot of you probably know me from Facebook, the creator of Pottery Tips and Tricks. The plan is to bring a lot of the tricks over, because on Facebook they are getting so lost that I can't even find some of them. They're just getting lost in the posts and you have to search for them. Here we can have them all in one place. We can even categorize them. I just think it's going to be a lot easier for everyone. I get asked often, where do I find the tips? And I can't even find. I have to search and then I can share. So I think this is going to be great for everyone. We can create together. The idea is to, besides bringing the tips over, is to have some how-to videos, tutorials in the studio, a little bit of everything in between. You can give me some ideas if you want, or we can try something together. We can even do maybe a challenge together. That could be cool. I want it to be casual, carefree, and let the journey progress and develop and grow as we grow. So I'd love it if you can be part of the journey. Let's get creative together. So please subscribe and let's do this. Thanks for always supporting me in my other channels, and I hope to get the support here as well. Thanks. Bye.